Alright, got a bit of a fun one today. I'm going to replace the headlight on the Dutch bike. Just got my new one in. Yeah. That looks a lot better. Right, so here's how it finished up. I realized I never kind of wrapped up that last video, but we have a huge improvement over the last one. Actually, let me go get that other one real quick and I'll show you the difference. Okay, through the magic of video editing, that's what we had. You can see how it was all cracked, and I re-glued it, but it's very worn out and faded, UV, sun faded, and the new one is a lot nicer looking. The wiring is just slightly different. This one just has a hole that the cabling to the bulb goes in. This has got an external attachment, so it's a little bit easier, less going into the housing to deal with the bulb, and the ground is where the ground is. So yeah, that's it. New light, new dynamo light. Works really well. No charging. Real simple. I love this bike for the simplicity. Anyway, that's it. Easier replaced than it took to edit this video. So yeah, well, I'll see you in the next one.